Want to watch the game and keep an eye on your favorite streamer at the same time? LG's multi-view feature lets you do just that. First, grab your LG remote. Look for a dedicated multi-view button. Some LG remotes have one for easy access. If not, don't worry. We'll find it through the settings. Head to your LG TV's home screen. Navigate to the settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. Click on it to open up the settings options. In the settings menu, look for picture settings, input settings, or even a general settings section. The location of multi-view can vary slightly depending on your LG TV model. Once found, select it. Now you're in the multi-view interface. Here, you'll see different layout options. You can choose picture-in-picture, side-by-side, or other arrangements depending on your TV's capabilities. Pick the one that suits your viewing preference. Next, you'll be prompted to select your input sources for each view. This could be an HDMI input, a built-in app like YouTube TV, or even a broadcast channel. Choose the source for the first window. Then, select the input source for the second window. Make sure both sources are actively playing content for them to display correctly. And there you have it. Both of your selected sources are now displayed simultaneously. You can usually adjust the size and position of each window within the multi-view settings. Enjoy multitasking your entertainment with LG's multi-view. If you're having trouble, double-check your input connections and ensure both sources are actively outputting video. Happy watching!